everybody. I'm super excited. As you can see, I've got my girls here. Now, we clearly have very different body types, but when it comes to clothes, we're all on the exact same mission, which is to find a fit that flatters our bodies, our curves, makes us feel confident while looking amazing, right, ladies?
Yeah.
Yes, that is the point, people. From jeans to gowns and everything in between, today, we're tackling jeans, which is something that is in everyone's wardrobe. We're gonna show you how to wear it well. So before we change into our jeans, let's actually talk about jeans. Okay, are they your go-to?
I love jeans.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I tend to feel like jeans feel so uncomfortable until you find like the right pair.
The one.
Exactly.
And when you have your go-to jean that you've like broken in.
That's
That's
low.
like our BFF for life.
Yes.
Jeans last. That's like the great thing about jeans.
Oh my God, yes. I feel like you could have the same pair of jeans for years.
Totally.
Lana, how do you feel? You're being Silent Sam over there.
I like wearing something more comfortable.
So would you say jeggings are your go-to then?
Jeggings are the go-to,
Yeah, you need something super comfortable.
and with a little bit of stretch.
No, the key is
too.
a
Comfort.
lot
Yeah.
of stretch. One of the myths about jeans is that like the more you spend on a pair of jeans, the better quality is, or the longer it'll last. I feel like in current day and age, like they figured out a way to get great price point and great quality with stores like Topshop, Zara. What are some of your favorite places to buy jeans?
Forever has some kind of good
Yeah.
ones that are.
What else?
Bloomingdale's.
I think Zara for me is like a really good place.
The
Yeah.
Gap.
Zara.
The Gap.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that
Love
used to
that.
be my go-to.
Yeah.
Like overalls. Comment below if anybody was really. My go-to for denim overalls wasn't just Gap, it was Gap Kids.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm so short. I swear I still feel like a 14, 16 in Gap Kids.
I'm definitely a
Yeah.
Levi's girl.
Ooh,
Never
Levi's.
go out of style.
They don't have
Totally.
too many of the jegging or the stretch type.
Oh,
but
Lord,
it's
no.
cool to go back and wear those like stiff and stretchy.
And if we're
Yeah.
honest, Grace's body type works perfectly for a stiff Levi jean.
Love
You're
that
right about
look.
where you're
I
at.
love that look. Yeah.
Not mine. Me in a stiff Levi jean, no bueno, people. So we should also discuss the fact that even though something's in trend, that doesn't always mean it's for your body type.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into this. So the first one we're starting with is my girl, Rocky. Come on out, Rocky. Yes. Yes, interject all the vibey music. Yes, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. Okay, not gonna lie, to me, you have, everybody wants what they don't have, so I'm
Totally.
like, she has my ideal body.
You have my ideal
No,
body.
okay, you have mine because, you know, I
No.
always feel like for fashion purposes, she has the perfect décolletage. Is that how you say that? Comment below and tell me how to pronounce that word.
I don't even know what that is.
No matter what you wear, you always look really classy.
Because I don't have any boobs.
Okay, that's exactly where I'm going with. For fashion purposes, it always looks amazing. You could have a plunging
you.
neckline and it always just looks statuesque. And I consider you to be tall, Rocky.
Thank you. That does a lot for my
Yeah.
confidence. Thank you. Like we're petite together,
Yeah.
but I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
But, so that's why when I go jean shopping, I like a high waist
Yeah.
because it lifts like the little booty that I do
No,
have.
and she has a great booty. So would you say that that's one of the things that you look for in a pair of jeans? You're like, I need to
Totally.
find a pair of jeans that makes the booty
Exactly.
look good.
I need like an illusion of like some kind of shape.
Does this have any stretch to it?
It
Oh,
does.
It does.
And that's what I love about these. Like comfort is really important. But I like the thick kind of jean look. But most of the time when you get those jeans that are really
Yeah.
thick, like it's hard to move around.
God, yes.
But it's
Sitting is painful
These
in
are
like
stretchy.
hard jeans. So it gives the illusion that it's a hard denim,
Yeah.
but it actually has some stretch to it.
illusion is key with jeans.
Yes. So these are high waist, distressed, skinny jeans that are actually just frayed at the bottom. So I
Love
love
the
this.
fray.
This is actually a super light wash, which I still think is perfect for all seasons.
Yes.
I would wear these
I
all
love
the
a
time.
medium to light wash because also like I don't really have shape. Like I wish I had like your kind of shape, but like this kind of makes
Creates the
the illusion
Illusion.
of shape. The illusion of shape.
Yeah. Can we see all that booty? Show that booty. Yes. How good do these look? Okay, so this is Rocky here in her skinny, high waist, distressed with a frayed bottom jean, and they're in a light wash. Look at me, I'm officially like, you know, just a jean connoisseur. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Come on out,
What's up,
Lana.
you guys?
See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. She makes
Welcome
an entrance.
to Wear It Well.
There we go, and she is wearing it very well. Girl, you look amazing.
Thank you. Thanks for the makeover.
Yes, and we're not done yet.
I know.
We're both evolving. I dropped 20 pounds, you know, we're all just evolving over here at Wear It Well. Now, what do you feel like you look for in jeans? Like, you know how there's certain things that we go into stores and we're like, okay, I need to find a pair of jeans that fixes this, accentuates this.
Okay, so my problem would be my midsection and the love handles that have grown and grown over the years.
Same girl, same. And the rest of every other woman in the world.
Yes, my thighs I don't have an issue with,
Yeah.
so I just want something that like hides the midsection
Yeah.
and like hugs in here a little more.
So we actually switched it up for Lana today because normally she goes for a high waist, which I think also looks incredible, but you don't want to feel like you're trapped into that one style. So we just want to show that you also can do a mid-rise, and these are actually from DL 1961.
And they have
So
some stretch.
They have
so
stretch, so she's like,
I can breathe and eat lunch later, guys. I'm just saying.
you went for a darker wash though because you definitely feel like that's slimming. So this is definitely considered mid-rise, but you also can do high waist. These are considered cropped, which I actually think make your legs look so bomb. I think the cropped effect looks amazing. She's also frayed, which I just think is super trendy and hot right now. You've got great legs, so that's always something that you definitely want to accentuate. Like, I love the fact that this is like gripping
Whoa.
gripping her leg because it shows that she has great legs, and it also shows you've got great ankles that are tiny. So those are the things she wanted to accentuate. The cool thing about the brand DL 1961 is they have this thing called Insta-Sculpt. So I guess that's
it
their
sculpting?
version. Yeah, there's some sculpting things happening over here. Yes, I think that's their version of stretch. They're like, we are doing a little Insta-Sculpt, and we have been sculpted.
Thank you.
Looking good.
Wear It Well. Tune in every week.
I love it. Okay, good.
Okay, bye guys.
Awesome. Next. Okay, so the stylist just became the model, people. Make your entrance, Grace. Yes, yes, girl. Okay.
It's so weird being
I know,
not
on the
behind
other
camera,
side.
I know.
First of all, you have a baby.
Yes.
How, especially for a lot of moms out there, getting back into your favorite jeans is like the goal. Like, my sisters had babies, and that was like the major thing.
You know what, to be very honest, right after I had Liv, I was living in boyfriend jeans.
Really?
Yeah, they're just so comfy. That's really my go-to jean anyway, you know me.
Yeah.
I'm always in like baggy kind of,
Yeah.
I just like a little give, and
Yeah.
I think they're chic and cool, and you know, you can dress them up and down.
So boyfriend jeans are also an
I love
option
them.
if you have this body type.
yes, but I do have a husband who likes tighter jeans.
Aha! The truth comes out, Calvin.
So I opt for these
Yeah.
a lot because I don't like high rise.
Yeah.
I don't find them flattering for me. I don't have a big booty.
Yeah.
So for me, if it's high rise, and I think that's for anyone who might not have a huge backside, I think high rise just makes it a little more flat.
Oh,
Like
really?
it looks flatter, it looks like a
Got
pancake,
it.
and
Yeah.
that's not cool.
So if you don't have a lot of booty, and
Yeah.
that's not the part you're trying to accentuate,
I would do
maybe
a
you
mid-rise.
shouldn't go for high rise and instead go for mid rise like this. And
Yeah.
it actually, mid rise gives the illusion that you have hips.
Yeah.
You do not
Yeah.
look straight up and down at all.
So that's
No.
why I love them, and I love a stone wash.
Yeah.
Love them because you can wear black, beige. They're a little frayed on the bottom, not as frayed as
the
like
others,
Taysha.
yeah.
Yeah,
These are
but
more of
I-
like a clean
Yeah,
cut.
and I love when they're so distressed that they just kind of hang.
That looks super
So the older
chic.
they get, it just looks cool.
Yeah.
And they are jeggings, so
Yeah.
there's a lot of give.
So that's crazy. You would not look at this and go, oh, these are
Yeah.
jeggings, because I know a lot of us think of jeggings as like what we used to see on the infomercials, which were pretty much just stretchy pants with a denim look.
Oh, God, those
That
are
is
awful.
not the current jeggings in
No, there's so
2019,
many.
2020, okay?
Yeah.
These are from one of our favorite stores, but we joke
Yeah.
around that
We live there.
Grace lives in Zara.
Anytime anyone asks me, I love, right? I love
Literally.
those shoes. I'm like, Zara.
Zara.
It's a great price point.
Yeah,
So,
such
you know,
a
you
great
get
price
jeans
point.
for like 40, 50 bucks as opposed to, I mean, I love Paige jeans, but they could be pricey.
They are
so,
pricey, so this is definitely an
Yeah.
affordable jean. We love Zara. Highs and lows, everything, high and low.
Yeah.
So these look amazing. You look bomb. Straight up and down
No.
where? Turn around.
Oh,
No, I'm telling
It
you,
gives
this
you a little
gives
bit
you
of
major
something,
caderas.
right? I know.
Yeah.
I know.
She got hips and everything in these jeans. Mid-rise, jeggings with a distressed look, a clean
Stone wash.
fray at the bottom, and they're stone washed from Zara. Guess how I know all that information? The stylist told me. She has organized all of my jeans, so it's only right that Taysha Nakadia come out in her favorite jeans. Yes, girl. Ooh.
Where's my fan?
I know, I needed the Beyonce fan for you to come out. Can we use
I am
some slow
here,
motion?
people.
Okay, so what would you say are some of your problem areas or things that you're like not so confident about?
Honestly, I feel like I don't really have issues. Like, I love my body. Like, this is it.
Don't leave me hanging,
Like,
and that's why I love you. All of our girls, although they may have parts that they want to accentuate more, I love that they are all super body confident and they're like super proud of their bodies. They're not trying to change their bodies.
Nope.
We're just trying to find the things that make us feel the most comfortable and that accentuates the best part of our bodies.
So I love my body.
Yes,
I really, really
so
do.
do I.
However, I do like to keep a higher waist just to cover, you
Just
know,
like me.
the donuts that I ate this morning.
I really love that Taysha and I are busty. She's got booty and hips. I just got the hips. But we both would be considered curvy and more like hourglass figure.
Yeah.
So the high waist works amazing on us because
Yeah.
it accentuates our tiny waist
Makes my waist look super smaller.
in
And then it
comparison
gives
to
me-
all of this. Boom. So the key, you guys,
Stretch.
also stretch is everything. So
Yeah.
again, you guys, can you believe these are jeggings? Again, these are modern jeggings that
Yeah,
actually,
like-
but they're majority stretch. So
Yep.
that's why they fit so well. Again, this is a high rise stretch jegging. And she's also frayed at the bottom.
So on trend.
Yeah.
But my trick, to be quite honest, is I don't like to spend too much money on tailoring. So I usually go for like a cropped or a skinny pant so I can save money on the hemming.
Genius! Okay, so these are actually intended to be cropped,
I'm price conscious
but
too.
because we're short, they're not cropped on her, so she doesn't
No.
need tailoring. For an hourglass body shape like ours, it definitely is so key to make sure that you pull in the waist. So literally you will get this tailored so that this makes your waist look even tinier, and then you want the stretch to do what it do over here. And make sure that you wear a shirt that also makes your waist look
I
tiny.
always
as well.
tuck
You don't
my
want
shirt
big-
in.
Yeah, you don't want like a big flowy shirt. You want to be
Yeah.
able to show that you got a bomb shape.
Yes, on Zoom.
I love it.
How
Okay.
you doing? I always go for a darker wash just
It's
because
slimming.
it's very slimming. Dark wash, definitely a higher waist.
Yeah.
Cheaper version with the cropped,
The cheaper
skinny.
version of the tailoring hem situation. I love that. She always comes through with the shortcuts, people. She got all the tips and tricks.
But yeah, these are my AGs.
I love it.
All stand.
It's all rise.
Come on, eh?
I really love it.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Really feeling myself in my jeans. Yes. Yes. So clearly I went for a high waist bell bottom jean. And I think a lot of us petite curvy girls are probably thinking that that would be completely unflattering on you. It's a lie. It's actually super flattering, but there are keys to making this work. Number one, high heels. Okay, guys, I pull out my stilts. I call them my stilts. These are actually my wedding shoes that go with everything. Number one, I went for a jean that absolutely has stretch in it because then it won't get over my hips. But like me and Taysha already know, if you are curvy,
Curves galore.
the hip to waist ratio is always going to be an issue for you. If you have a Coke bottle shape or hourglass shape, our waists are tiny compared to our hips.
Such a good issue to have.
It is until you have to go buy jeans.
That's true. But the great thing is you can tailor them to yourself. And people think when you're shorter that or have a smaller torso that you can't wear these longer bell-bottom flare jeans, but it actually gives you the illusion of being taller.
Really
So,
tall. This totally, like the first thing I said when I
You
came
look
out.
5 feet today, not 4'11".
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Give me my inch. Give me my
Every
inch.
inch matters when you're short.
Exactly. This elongates me, and we intentionally made the tailoring right to the floor. So it still gives that illusion. You don't want to cut it at your ankle. You want to make sure that it's literally hitting, grazing the floor. The other key thing is okay, get a pair of jeans that fit as closely to the fit that you like. And then if you are short like me, which we're calling petite to make it sound really fancy, if you are petite and curvy like me, the key is investing in tailoring. So you find a pair of jeans that's as close to your fit as possible, a perfect fit, and then spend the extra $20 to also pull in the waist.
Yeah, a lot of times you have to cinch that
for
waist
both
a
of
little
us.
bit.
Yeah, you have to. There's no way.
Here.
Mine
Yeah.
fit just fine, guys. I just want to put that out there. I don't have that problem.
That's amazing though, but I'm telling you, I have never met a petite curvy person who bought a pair of jeans, walked out and was like, boom, that works. It's never happened to me. I need a hem on every single one of my jeans, unless it was intended to be like a capri or a high rise.
Like these, I didn't hem because they're
intended to be that look.
And one thing I think is important to always know is when you go to the tailor, bring your favorite shoe, like the shoe that you wear the most, so that you tailor it to the point of where it hits for that shoe.
This is the perfect shoe for this, so I will absolutely be bringing these for every time I'm trying to get, you know, a great pair of bell-bottom, high waist pants. A little boost. Another super helpful thing is getting a dark wash. I feel that that's also super slimming. Yeah, we've got our dark washes on. Nobody said you had to go black, because I know they say that black actually is the most slimming, but I would definitely say the darker the wash, the more slimming it is. So a high waist bell bottom is best for my shape, and these that I've got on right now are Paige. Little Paige jeans.
very cute.
Feeling good, feeling great. Thank you to my girls for being so open and honest, and I think that we hopefully represent a lot of you out there and some of your, you know, fit issues that you might have with jeans. Do you guys feel good in your jeans?
Amazing.
I feel amazing, people. I feel so good. Let me know in the comments below what you do to make sure that you have a great pair of well-fitting jeans, and any tips that you might have for us. We're always learning over here. We'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe.